Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Christian Mix Vlog. Ayan, dito kami ulit guys sa Saiseria kasama yung aking alaga. Ayan, ito yung lunch namin for today. Ito yung order nila. Ayan. Ito yung chicken, crispy chicken breast. Ayan, wings. At saka ito sa akin salad guys. So, ito lang po yung lunch namin ngayon sa araw na to guys. Kasi tatlo lang naman kami. Thank you so much for watching everyone. God bless us all. Happy weekend guys. Ayan, please connect. Please subscribe. Christian Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat everyone. Bye bye.